So I have a first question, that what excites me about technology. So technology is all about innovating and building solutions for the people so that their life can become better in some way or the other. And technology in itself excites a lot of people, and I am also the one who gets excited by technology, as I love the web development the most: HTML, CSS, JavaScript and React, and I am working on it and I am developing my skills in it. So I love it a lot, as we put some code and we see the output instantly, that how can this code work. So it gives a lot of excitement, and I would suggest everybody to learn at least 2 to 3 skills and master them, so that at the time of internships, at the time of placements, they will not get so much tension of cracking it or not. Okay, so you need to give your best, and then rest leave to God. Okay, because you can just master your skills and then it's depends on luck as well, because you need to work hard and as hard as you can. So why I want other people to learn as well, because I also know that what is the importance of guidance that I also take from seniors, and they suggest to learn this thing from that place, resources, and the new courses that are available in the industry. So I also want other peoples to know that what are the latest courses available in the industry that they should know about, because college studies are just limited to education and degree, nothing else. So you need to know about where is the industry going, where is the technology going, and you need to uh, master them and then acquire skills accordingly. So my motive is to help each and every student, each and every peer of my age, so that they can also come up and we can make a community and contribute something to the society. Thank you very much.